Hey guys, in today's expert tips for LRTimelapse, I would like to show you how to superimpose timestamps over your time-lapse videos. This is not only useful for like construction time lapses, but could also be nice to show the time events have been taken place to your audience. So let's dig right into it. The prerequisite for this video is that you have LRTimelapse Pro. This is not a feature that's included in the private license. You will have the two options here in the render dialog. You might have noticed that the one is the timestamp overlay, which will allow you to bake in a timestamp into your video. And the second one is export timestamp subtitles. If you activate both, you will get this warning telling you that this might lead to double subtitles because the subtitles will then be embedded in the video, and some video players will additionally use the exported subtitles to superimpose them. So this might double your subtitles. So depending on what you want to do, choose either the one or the other. But of course, technically, you can also choose both. So for the first option here, where the timestamps are baked in, you only have a couple of options to customize them. Let's briefly go to the LRTimelapse settings. This is something that will work from 7.3.3 on. There is already a beta available. From that version on, you will have two settings to customize your timestamps. The one will be to include the date. By default, in older versions, you always had the date, but now you can also remove the date and only get the timestamps. And the second option has always been there. It's to include seconds in your timestamp or not. So here you can do some basic customizations. But apart from this, there is not so many options to customize your timestamps right inside of LRTimelapse. And that's why there's also another way to export those subtitles. So let's do this and just render our video. And after rendering, we will not only get the video file, but we will also get a .srt file, which is a subtitle files with your timestamp data in it. And the cool thing about those subtitle files is that basically any video editor will be capable of reading them. Here now we got two files, which we can now directly drag into a video editor. Let's drag them right into Davinci Resolve, which I have already opened, but this should work with any other video file too. With those two files here, the video file and the SRT file, we can create a new timeline using selected clips. Click on create and you will instantly see that we not only have our video file here, but also the subtitles above the video, which are already being superimposed. And this means you can now even get rid of the subtitles by deactivating them. For example, by hitting D in Davinci Resolve, and another hit on D will reactivate them. This is because they are not baked in the video file. So now how do we customize those subtitles? Just go to the inspector in Davinci Resolve with all the subtitles selected. And then in the track section here, you can change, for example, the color of the subtitles. You can change the font size. Could even add a stroke outside for the subtitles in a special color. Let's make that black to get like some kind of a outline effect. You can do everything. You can change the position of the subtitles. You can set them the size. You can change the font to something different, whatever you like. And this is the beauty of the customization via those SRT files. You're really, really flexible. So set the settings in LRTimelapse to get the format of the SRT file correctly, as I showed you. Then just export the SRT file, drag both all together into your video editor, and you should be good to go with your custom subtitles. I hope you enjoyed this expert tips video. If you want more of those, leave a comment, let me know your questions, then maybe I will make a dedicated video about your question. So hit the subscribe button and see you next time. Bye bye.